grade 3, this is what you're going to be making. Well, not this specific one, but, you know, a poster advertises.
Turn this into this.
Hey, third graders, you guys are going to be making a really beautiful poster to advertise a product or a service. So you're going to create a visual advertisement to persuade customers to buy a product or a service. You're going to be formulating and planning your ideas so that we can realize how advertisements market the value or the importance of a product or a service.
All right, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made my poster. So let's have a look. So the first thing I thought was the most important was my actual product. So I drew what my product was. Tea-rific tea.
Ooh, a product.
Next thing I thought was every product needs a slogan so that everyone remembers it. So I created a slogan. Make tea time, you time.
Wow, a slogan.
And when you see a product, you obviously need to know how much it costs. So I have my price right on my product.
Wow, that is a good price.
Next, we need to create some emotion into it. So I have warm your heart with tea-rific tea.
Oh, I feel so warm and cozy inside.
Then we need to have a comparison of another product. 100%, the 100 yen cheaper than other products.
Wow, I want that one. That one sounds like the best tea.
And we also need to describe what our product is. I have mine as being warm, delicious, sweet, and a taste of goodness.
Wow, I love the taste of goodness.
You also need some silly thing to add to it, right? So I have 9 out of 10 doctors say this tea can make you live for 200 years. Wowza!
Whoa, I want to be that old.
And then, of course, we need to have some testimonials that let us review how our product is. So this tea is just for me, Miss Jessie.
Hey, that's me.
And then that's it. That is my poster on my product. I hope you guys like it.